What's up, gangsters? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna explain to you how to actually sell a short form content agency offer or a personal branding agency. And yes, for the guys not knowing me, I did get glasses this week. I don't know if you like them, but my eyes are not working properly anymore, so that's why we got the glasses. Anyways, this video is super important because a lot of these people out there are preaching that short form content agencies are not working, or they suck, or it's impossible to sell a short form agency offer. But it's not true, because if it's not possible, then explain to me how I'm already doing 20K for November. We're even over 20K now, because this is an old screenshot, but how am I doing more than 20K per month in cash collected, and it's not even halfway through the month yet? So how can you say that short form agencies are dead? Because frankly, it's just not true, and these payments actually show proof of that as well. And as you can see here, the profit margin is extremely high, like 20K cash collected, 15K in profit, guys. That's what we want, and we want way more than that too. It's only halfway through the month. But right now, you probably look something like this, and this is me, February 2024. My content agency sucked cock. I don't know what I was doing. I didn't know what I was doing. I only collected 9.4K in cash with a 4.8K profit margin. Like, what the fuck is that? Like, imagine the taxes coming in as well. You're not making any money, guys. Also, I have to be a little bit quiet because it's already like 10:30 p.m. I just got back from the gym. But I'm gonna explain to you what the issue is with most of the content agencies. And before we can dive into that, we need to understand why people are buying. And the reason why people are buying is because they have a return on their investment, and they want to get the best return on their investment possible. Then the second thing that they want to have is effortless experience. They want to spend the least amount of effort and the least amount of time for getting the exact same results that they want to get. And then the last thing that they want is speed. Money loves speed. Who doesn't like speed? The sooner they can get to their results, the better it is. And also, the more tangible your offer is. People care about getting results. They don't care about the look of your videos. They care about the views, followers, and eventually sales that they can get from these videos and the views that they get. So these are three super important things to keep in mind. You want to give them a return on their investment, an effortless experience. Like, they shouldn't be worried about their content, and very fast results. How can we get them to go viral as soon as possible? That's what we want to focus on. Now, these are the problems that you're currently facing. And let's start off with the first one, the time investment. Bro, the clients do not want to figure out what camera setup to use. They do not want to figure out how to film. They do not want to figure out their content planning. They don't want to figure out shit, bro. They want to focus on growing their business. And that's where we come in. We come in and solve all these specific problems because we want to save them as much time as possible. Their time might be worth what, 500 to $1,000 an hour, and they don't want to fucking waste that time on figuring all this shit out, figuring out the camera setup, the client filming, the content planning. They want to focus on actually growing the business and moving the needle forward. So we solved that, but right now we're not solving any of this. And the time investment is too big for the clients because they have too much shit to do. They can't do this shit. They don't have time for this shit. The second thing that we want to focus on is the resource drain. And they have expensive equipment that they think they need, and they have multiple team members that they need to manage and worry about, and they have a management overhead. But it's such a pain in the ass to manage the whole content team, guys, and that's why they don't want to buy your offer, because your offer is shitty and you don't solve these problems for them. Because all you do is give them short form video edits, but you don't promise them anything. They're not getting a return on their investment. It's not even helping them in the first place, and they still have to figure out all this bullshit themselves for them to be able to build a personal brand. And this shouldn't be the case if you have a solid offer. And then, of course, we have the unpredictable results. A lot of you guys out there, they sell a short form agency offer and they sell the videos, but you don't know how to get your clients results. And that's an issue. And in this video, we're going to solve that issue as well. So as you want to see here, you are algorithm dependent. You cannot guarantee any views, and you have inconsistent outcomes. So for a client, it's basically a gamble paying you because they have no clue what they're going to get out of the money. And that's a very big no-no. And that's also a reason for a client not to buy your offer. So these are the three things that they hate that you have right now and that you're not solving. And therefore, you cannot scale your content agency and your numbers look like this. The profit margin is fucking 51%. Let me move my fucking shit out of the way. 51%. And then the revenue is super low, only 9K. I mean, what the fuck? 9K is not going to pay the bills, specifically if you're left with only 4.8K. Might as well work at the grocery store. This is not an ideal situation, guys. So what can we do to solve this? And we want to change it to a new agency model and solve all these problems that we're having right now. Let me quickly see what we can do to solve this. Just got another client text coming. Shit's busy. It's 10:30 p.m. Like, what the fuck's going on? But that's great because we have systems and people and clients are happy. Like, he just sent me a message, hey man, I fucking love this video. I'm ready to post this shit. Let's go viral. And that's what you want with your clients. And that's how we can do this as well with the system. So the new acquisition system that you want to focus on to attract clients that can actually pay you a lot of fucking money. So let's focus on the traffic first. And this is important to understand. This is for you. This is how you can attract the clients for your new offer. And as you can see here, we'll dive into the new offer pretty soon. But first, we need to know how can we attract the right people for this offer, because of course we otherwise won't be able to sell anything, right? So traffic. What do we have with traffic? And I know for some of you guys, ads might not be a thing right now because you don't have the budget, but you will have the budget if you have a fucking 70%, 75% profit margin. So let's dive into ads. So you want to do ads and you want to track all the people that are coming in into a CRM. Use Monday.com. I prefer Monday.com. Also, my whole system is into Monday as well. Use Monday as a CRM and also track every single thing from the ad. Any new follower you get from an ad as well, make sure they get a DM. Send them, hey man, what's going on? Looking at your profile, it looks great. So that's what you want to do there. Then you want to do outbound, of course, and you can automate this system fully. Like you can send 50 cold DMs every single day on autopilot with golddms.com. Highly suggest you get a membership there, set up the account, and then you can scrape IG lists, actually upload them in here, and it will just send auto messages. And if it doesn't work out, you'll see like, okay, from all these accounts, these did work, these didn't work. It's super easy, super straightforward, and you can actually target people's following list. So let's say you want to target Iman's following list, you can target Iman's following. Let's say you want to target someone else's following list, you can, but you can also target followers. Like you can make it as crazy as you want, and you can target a very specific group of people by just uploading scrapes, targeting Instagram profiles. Like they have different options how you can target people, and I highly suggest you do this because it saves you another 30 minutes a day, you know? Not sending cold outreaches is just a tedious task. Then the second thing that you want to do is focus on organic. Like, how the fuck can you sell a short form agency offer or a personal branding offer when you're not actively building a personal brand yourself? And as you can see here, my views are not great, but I still work with insanely great people and insanely big clients, and I get insane results for my agency. So that's why it's so important to put yourself out there. People want to buy from a person, and if they can resonate with the videos that you're posting and even like the quality of the videos that you're posting, then that's great, because then they can easily buy from you and they trust you more because there's a face behind the profile. A lot of you guys out there are trying to sell this offer and say like, hey man, are you looking to grow an X amount of followers in 30 days? Like, you don't know how to do that. You have no clue how to do it. And the biggest thing is you don't even have a profile picture. You have 400 followers, you have no bio, you have no videos, no pictures on your account. So how can you sell this service if you're not actively doing it yourself? You got to practice what you're preaching, because that's how clients can actually trust you and pay you a lot of fucking money for it. So that's why building a personal brand is so important, guys. Now the next thing that we want to focus on is content, of course. And how can we leverage content even more? I know it's a part of the personal brand and the organic side of things by posting videos, but we can leverage this way more than a lot of you guys probably know. And one of the biggest things that you want to do is build YouTube assets, just like the one I'm recording right now, where you provide insane amounts of value to your ideal client profile so they will actually trust you. Because by providing value and making videos like these, or showing, for example, how your favorite guru makes 200K per month, I explained the whole funnel here. Any guru can copy this organic funnel, implement it into their business, and start making money with watching this video. So you see these views are super low. They're all way up right now, but yeah, you want to start posting valuable based content on YouTube. And of course, you can do a vlog here and there, but make sure you stick to the valuable videos, because people will actually start trusting you. And when people trust you, they will easily buy your stuff. Because if we gain trust from people and we hop on a sales call with them and you offer them and you pitch them your offer, they're just going to say yes. They're already sold by the videos. Any objection they have, you solve the problem for them in a YouTube video, so they don't have any objections. It's literally like they hop on a call, they say, Kier, how does the onboarding work? Let's get to work, pay on the call, and you start fucking working with them and make them go viral. Now, the next thing that you want to do is collect a lot of testimonials as much as you can, and also flex results. Because by flexing the results, people can actually see, okay, this guy actively is getting results for other people, and I want to get the same results. And if you can show them, hey, I've been actively getting results for people like Ruben, then they're like, I want the same results as Ruben. Please come work with me, because you apparently know how to get the results. And as you can see here, you show that on your Instagram as well. So that's really important. You got to leverage content in order to scale your business. Content is such a big factor, and a lot of people are sleeping on it. So in order to sell content agency, focus on pushing out content. And this is how we attract leads to a product or service, in this case, a content agency. But these systems work with any high ticket offer. So let's say you're selling a coaching offer or a high ticket offer or growth operating offer. It doesn't matter. You can implement these content systems, and client acquisition systems into any offer and generate leads. Now, what's going to happen when we have sales? So we have a profile setter, community building, and a view to sale conversion. Of course, the community building is not really important, but it's more so for connecting with people. Even people that are not buying the first day that they see your profile or not buying them the first time they come on a call, you want to stay in touch with them, follow up with them. Like I followed up with someone 4 months later and they become a client 4 months later just because I followed up with them. And that's why following up is so important. Then we want to have a profile setter. So anyone that's coming into the company or no, anyone that's coming into your profile, you want to have a setter send them a DM. Hey man, how's it going? Give them a compliment on their profile. Send them a post from their own profile into the DMs. Hey bro, this post is fire. Start the conversation and start providing value. Send them the YouTube assets as well, because what a setter can do, if the client has a specific question or problem in the DMs and you have a YouTube video on it, just send them the YouTube video, instantly solve that problem, and that will build so much trust and credibility that it will become so easy for you to close the client on the call. Then the next thing that we want to focus on is getting the view to sale conversion for your clients as well. So this is all three things that you can implement into your new offer that will actually make the client interesting. Because if we implement these things, you can actually guarantee a return on their investment, because throughout the same system that you use, you can implement this into your client's profile. Therefore, they're going to get leads through organic marketing. These leads can be done by a profile setter that you provide them. You can help them build the community and you can help them turn the viewers into sales, and therefore they get a return on their investment, and therefore it's so much easier to sell, guys. Super important that you leverage these three things in order for clients to become a client for you and in order for prospects to become a client of you. So what we want to focus on then is how can we deliver this shit to the clients, right? And it looks pretty confusing right now. It looks like an upside down pyramid, but let's just start off simple. So if we focus on the onboarding, we want to make it as smooth as possible, and we want to have the right editor, the brand plan, the systems. So how do we do the brand plan? We can do the brand plan through a type form. We can do the brand plan by doing an onboarding call, and we want to implement the right systems for the client. Then, of course, you want to know exactly when we're posting, and when videos are not done on time, we want to do a 20% pay deduction for the editors, because being on time with the videos is one of the most important things clients care about. And if you're not on time with editing the videos, posting the videos, showing them the videos, they're going to leave so fast, bro. And trust me, I'm speaking of experience here. So yeah, make sure you have this pay deduction on your editors as well. Then the next thing that you want to do is do your weekly call. You want to stay in touch with your clients. You want to make them feel special. You want to make them feel heard. Be communicative with your clients, because if you be communicative with your clients, they won't leave as fast as you might think. And even better, they will never leave. So weekly calls about satisfaction, planning, and also just in general seeing like how their content is flowing and if they're happy with the product that they're getting. If they're not happy, ask them why are they not happy and how can you implement certain things to make them happy again. Then the execution, of course, editing and the results. So this whole system can get you crazy results. Also, these are outdated numbers, but check out Ruben's profile, you can see the numbers there. And then clients stay, clients are happy, and then the whole cycle returns again. And you can flex these results again too when clients stay, because you can make more content essence, more testimonials, and also more Instagram highlights on what you achieve. Now, let's dive into the ROI, aka view to money conversion. And this is basically where the traffic comes in. So when you implement this for your clients, they have organic and DM. Again, you want to implement the same outbound system for them that you use for yourself. You want to implement the same YouTube assets for them as well. So have them provide value on their YouTube, come up with content ideas that they can leverage in order to provide value to people. And then these people will turn up into the DM and they can be sold more easily. And of course, on IG, optimize their profile so that you can actually convert people better. This is all the content that we want to focus on. Then the systems, you want to have the right team and the right structure. So I highly, highly, highly recommend you guys start using Monday.com and implement this system. I can't give away this whole system for free, but man, this system is crazy. It took me 3 years to build and it's leveraged me so much. It saved me so much time as well. And then of course you want to have the right team. Also, this team is like 3 times the size right now. So then again, you're gonna build the social proof for the clients as well. Case studies, portfolio, build out your portfolio, build out a client portfolio, whatever the case may be. You want to make sure clients can actually make money from the offer that you're selling. So whatever you need to implement, and you can implement this whole system that you use for yourself into their company as well. Because if you're using this and it's making you money, then you 100% know that it's going to make your client money as well. And I'm telling you this right now, and it's making me a lot of fucking money, this exact system. So why wouldn't it work for you, right? And that's why I'm sharing this for free. I want to show you guys how it actually works and how you can actually make money with the content agency offer, and also how you can give your clients tangible results. As I said at the beginning of the video, they don't give a fuck about the videos, they care about making money. And that's what you need to help them with. If you don't know how to help them with making money, then you don't have a solid business model, you don't have a solid offer. So that being said, I mean, this is what it can get you, and it's currently Tuesday or Thursday, November 21st, and this is pretty much an old screenshot from like November, I think 12th, when I prepped this video. But yeah, this is what it can get you. Great results, high paying clients too. Like this is an 8K collecting, 8K USD. This is 2K euros, $1,700, $4,500, 4K euros. So you see, it's high paying clients, guys, with a high profit margin, and that's what we want to focus on. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna leave this super raw on my channel, and let me know in the comments if there are any problems or specific things that I mentioned in this video that you want me to go over or dive deeper into, because I'm here to provide you the value for free. And that being said, let me know in the comments. I hope you like this video. Subscribe or don't, I don't really care. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. And I'm going to sleep ASAP. It's 10:30 p.m. Peace.